Hi friends, I'm back with one more dishwasher video. In this video, I'm going to show the deep cleaning of my dishwasher using this Finish dishwasher deep cleaner. I'm going to use it for the first time and I'll be following instructions given here. Before that, I'll show the inside of the machine. So you can see some white patches here on inside the door, and so you can see the accumulation of limescale here. I've not cleaned it for a long period. It has been there for quite a while on both the sides. So this is supposed to clean unseen dirt and also clean the lime scales. So I want to see how it works, and that is why I've not cleaned all these things. Other than that, I don't know. I can't see anything else here. Let us see how it's going to clean. So before that, I would like to mention about the instructions. Like it is given, this whole thing has to be placed in the bottom rack. Both the racks can be there. You don't have to remove the racks, but there should not be any utensils. You should not have the cutlery basket. You don't have to add any detergent. So I've kept this closed. So you have to just place this thing in the bottom rack, and you have to just remove this particular sticker here. You should not remove the lid, but only the sticker here, and place it in the bottom rack. And then you have to run the highest temperature cycle in the machine. So other than the place I showed here, you can see some limescale formation here, places inside in the interior, even this side. Similarly, unseen places, there could be many places where there could be limescale formation. So I'm sure all this will get cleaned by using this deep cleaner. And for me it is less because my water is not so hard. It's almost soft, slightly tending to hard, but it is almost soft. This has been an accumulation of quite a long period of time. If you have hard water, I'm sure you will see the difference after using this. Hopefully you can see the result after I use this. So I'm just going to remove the sticker. So that is why you can see from this that why they have asked us to remove only the sticker, because from here only the liquid is going to be dispersed. So we have to place it inverted in the lower rack. So I'm placing it somewhere here so that it gets support. So as per instruction, we have to run the cycle which has the highest temperature. This particular cleaner is suitable for all brands of dishwasher. So in whichever is the highest temperature program in your machine, you can use that. For me, intensive is the highest temperature cycle, 70-degree cycle. So I'm going to run that. So if you have pots and pan or sanitization, depending on whichever brand or model you have, you can use the highest temperature cycle. Program has just completed. I'll just open it and leave it for some time before showing the inside fully. I'll leave it like this for a while. I'll open it now. Let me see this place. I think I need to wipe it so that it comes off. So it has loosened up the line scale actually. So I'm sure by the time I use the next program, these things will be washed off. It was a stubborn lime scale there, which has been removed now. So I had shown lime scale formation on this portion of the spray arm. So you can see that it has been removed. But here again, those lime scale has been loosened. So if I wipe it, I'll wipe it and show you on the other side. So you can see it coming out. So like they have said, hidden dirt and limescale accumulated can be removed using this cleaner. So you can see that all the hardened limescale has dissolved now. does not come off. Actually, I don't have to wipe like this. In the next wash cycle, it will all be washed away. But I'm just doing this to show what has come off using this cleaner. Here too, I think if I wipe it here, you can see the... So I had even shown this rubber beading, which had scaling. So you can see that it is gone. So you can see that the container is empty. It has used up all the liquid. I also could get a nice fragrance when I was wiping there inside. So it not only removes hidden dirt and removes the limescale formation, but also gives a nice smell, thus removing any bad odor inside the machine. So you saw me wiping the softened limescale formation there. I have not used any deep cleaner like this in the past 13 years of my dishwasher usage. I think 1 or 2 videos I've uploaded of using Fortune descaler and probably one more video. But only those were the only 2 times I've used descaler. But any deep cleaner I've not used till date. I just keep cleaning my dishwasher inside and outside whenever possible. Maybe for me, the limescale was so less because my water is quite soft. People who are having hard water, they may find it very useful. The only thing is, you may not get this result by using once in a while. People who have hard water, they have to use it very frequently, like they have written in this container that you have to use at least once in 3 months. I'm sure many of you would have tried this product and you would have found out how good or bad it is. You can share your experience of what results you have got using this cleaner, deep cleaner. I would like to know because for me, the first usage, and that too after so many years of not cleaning or removing whatever accumulation of limescale was there, I found it quite good. And I would like to know your thoughts on this. Please share in the comment section. I would like to know about that. I bought this from Amazon. This is a lemon sparkle. You also get the plain variant. I'm sharing the link below in the description and as well as in the first comment. Do try and let me know how it is. I hope you find this video useful. Look out for more interesting videos on dishwashers and other appliances in my channel. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, it's bye from Borna.